get overwhelmed so easily. My anxiety creeps inside of me, makes it hard to breathe. Words come over me, feels like I'm somebody else. I get overwhelmed so easily.
Why you always in the mood? Fuck around like I'm brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Fuck around like I'm brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. I can never get attached. When I start to feel I'm unattached, somehow I was in a feeling bad. Baby,
let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So kicking it on for us.
Let me see what you're twerking with. Look at those hips. You make me smile. Go ahead, child. I'm bringing sexy vibe.
Don't need to fight tonight.
Your lips from dawn and dusk. Miss you when you're gone so much. It gives two shits when they talk about us. I don't care about what they say, and I don't care about what they think. Since they were too young, but baby, they love like this.
Put your hand in mine. You know that I want to be with you all the time. You know that I won't stop until I make you mine. You know that I won't stop until I make you mine.
Welcome back to part 2 of the reality of my TikTok photo shoots. This time the smoke just blew away on my first attempt and it wasn't even that windy. The second attempt I was able to get a really sick photo but got smoked out of the room right after. We gave it one more try and got some of my favorite pics I've ever taken, and I'm posting the results on Insta.